Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Savita. Wishing you all a very happy new year. 2020 was very difficult for all of us. Hope this new year brings about some positivity towards a very healthy and a happy life for all of us. Some of my customers with smaller homes find it impossible to find a place for a puja cabinet. If you are one of them, then you should watch this video. I'm going to show you how you can make a perfect size puja cabinet for a smaller homes. I'm also going to show you how you can construct a gopuram for smaller cabinets without using very high-fi power tools. I'm also going to show you how you can install an LED lights inside the cabinet. This is a beautiful medicine cabinet that the customer has dropped at my place to be flipped into a puja cabinet. This is perfect for a small apartment. These medicine cabinets are mostly wall hanging type and it comes in various sizes. The only disadvantage is that these cabinets are not deep enough for lighting lamps or diyas safely inside the cabinet. You could fix a floating shelf under the cabinet for lighting diya. Since the customer is going to place it on a table instead of hanging, I have decided to add legs to it in addition to the gopuram. I wanted to match the legs with the finials on the gopuram, so I have decided to use the finials as legs as well. I have cut off the top ball-shaped part of the finials using a handsaw and attached it to the four corners of the base. You should always drill a hole using a proper drill bit before attaching the screws. So I have made the screw holes on the legs and also on the base of the cabinet. I then attach the legs using screws from inside the cabinet. The next step is making the gopuram. For making a proper pyramid-shaped gopuram using crown molding, we need a depth of at least 8 inches on the cabinet. But the depth of this cabinet is very small. So I have cut the wooden board to a different length and depth to make concentric rectangles like this. I have used a miter saw, but you can easily make this cut just using a jigsaw or handsaw. I'm going to attach these rectangular wooden pieces on one above the other and place finials on the top. I'm also going to attach these trims on the edges of each rectangle for an embellished look. The customer has asked for it to be painted in brown, and I am using Java from Folkart. I applied 2 coats of brown color. It was really difficult to paint on these carved patterns. Even though it is a small cabinet, it took quite a long time due to the carvings on the doors. Once the paint has dried, I painted all the finials gold. I also did some stencil work on the sides and inside the cabinet. Later, using the acrylic marker pen, I have highlighted the edges of the carved designs on the door. Also, I have highlighted other edges on the cabinet using gold. Finally, I have protected the paint using water-based polyurethane. Once the LED lights are attached, this cabinet is ready to go. As I mentioned before, you can convert any type of cabinet for puja purposes by adding the gopuram and some creativity. Hope this video helps you to make a very simple gopuram by using just a handsaw. Since many of you have asked me to show how to install the under cabinet lights, I have decided to show it in this cabinet. The customer has built this cabinet all by himself and then handed over to me to add the finishing touches that give a puja cabinet look and feel, as well as to be painted. This is a very basic cabinet that anybody can make. All you need to construct is a box with 5 sides, attach legs on all the 4 corners of the base. If you want to know how to attach legs, you can watch one of my videos where I have explained it. You can see the link for that video in the description box below. Later, attach the doors with 2 hinges on each side. I have painted this cabinet with blue iris from Debi's DIY for outside and Monarch from Folkart for the inside. I have also done some stencil work in gold and then applied a protective coat using water-based polyurethane. I have drilled 3 holes on each door for hanging bells. I have also given the link to the video on how to drill these holes and how to make the gopuram in the description box. Since the cabinet was looking very plain without any embellishments, I have added trims on the edges of all the sides like a border. I have cut out the trims to size and spray painted them gold using Rust-Oleum spray paint. Once the paint has dried, I have attached the trims on the sides using small wire brads. Now I am going to install the LED lights. Installing LED lights is very simple and the package has all the details on how to install. The package has 4 strips of self-sticking LED lights with different types of connectors and a power card. Before sticking the LED lights, I have drilled a hole to bring the power card out. For this, I have made the hole on the front corner. You can make this hole even on the top rear corner of the cabinet. The hole should be big enough to insert the cord connector. I wanted to stick the LED lights only on the top front edge and the sides. In order to hide the LED lights from direct sight, I have attached corner trims to the front edge. Now I took strips of LED light which exactly measures the front edge and peeled the sticker from the LED lights. Then stuck it on the inside of the trim that I have attached on the top front edge. I have also attached the other strips of light using the connectors on the sides and connected the cord and the LED lights. Now the cabinet, which had a very raw appearance, is transformed into a beautiful, rich looking puja cabinet. Hope the video helps you to make your own puja cabinet. Anybody make this simple gopuram that I had explained earlier in this video and install the under cabinet lights. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for notification. Thanks for watching.